How to fix your laptop keyboard automatically pressing keys on your computer. So if your keyboard is automatically typing or pressing keys, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this issue. Now, first thing we need to do is open up the Start menu on your computer. You can then search for Device Manager and click on this window here. Click on the drop down arrow next to Keyboards and you should be able to see your keyboard device. Now we're just going to right click on this and click on Update Driver and press Browse My Computer for drivers. You can then press Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You then need to select this option and press Next. Now once you've done this, you will need to go in, restart your computer, and once your computer's restarted, you can check if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, open up the Start menu and go and click on Settings. In the left hand side, click on Accessibility, and then you need to scroll down to the keyboard and click on this. Make sure sticky keys are turned off and disabled. Make sure the filter keys are also turned off. Once you've done this, you can go and check if that solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, there could be some physical dust or debris stuck in your laptop keyboard. So what I'd recommend doing is just getting a cloth or a brush, and you need to make sure none of the keys on your physical keyboard are stuck or dirty. And once you've finished cleaning the keyboard, that should have now solved any automatic typing problem. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.